Why are we? The coolest news about science, space and history. Mānuka honey, a natural medicine? Mānuka honey has long been known for its effectiveness against various types of bacteria, for example when used directly in wound care. And now recent research also shows that this same honey, potentially, could be useful against bacteria that cause respiratory infections. That's an important discovery, as more and more bacteria are becoming resistant to antibiotics. As part of this study, researchers analysed 5 types of Mānuka honey. The UMF rating was particularly important, ranging from 5 to 20, and that number determines the potency of the sticky stuff, as it stands for Unique Mānuka Factor. In total, the honey was tested against 4 disease-causing bacteria. Among them was the somewhat infamous MRSA, a bacterium resistant to several antibiotics, as well as bacteria such as Klebsiella pneumoniae and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. In practice, all types of Mānuka honey proved fairly quick at inhibiting their growth, and the higher the UMF rating, the stronger the effect. To make sure that not all honey can inhibit bacterial growth, additional tests were needed. After all, every type of honey contains quite a lot of sugar, and a high sugar concentration can draw water out of bacterial cells, inherently slowing their growth. So, the scientists wanted to know whether Mānuka honey worked simply because of its sugar, or whether something else might be at play. In the second study, they then made a sugar solution with the same composition as the honey. But the real Mānuka honey inhibited all those bacteria much more strongly than this control substance. So sugar can't explain the effect, there must be something else behind it. So the effect probably comes from several compounds working well together in the sticky honey. In any case, laboratory tests showed that MSSA and MRSA bacteria in particular were highly sensitive to this honey. The results don't mean people should start randomly treating respiratory infections with honey themselves, but they do give scientists more reasons to investigate Mānuka honey even further. And who knows, maybe one day that could lead to new treatments. That's it for today. See you in the next episode.